Hi fam, welcome back to our channel Design on the Dollar. I'm your host Ida, and today we are going to do this beautiful glammed out wall mirror using majority of Dollar Tree items. So if you want to see how to recreate this beauty, then just continue to watch. So for this DIY, you're going to need some clear glue sticks. You get them from Walmart, a ruler, 4 of the Dollar Tree mirrors, some of the Dollar Tree crystal, some bling wrap of your choice. I'm using black and gold, and this came from Sharon Tucker. Some brooches from Totally Dazzled, 6 4x6 frames from the Dollar Tree. I'm using the flat ones, some jumbo craft sticks, some E6000 hot glue and hot glue stick gun. Also some paint and paintbrush. So I'm starting off by taking all the stuff out of the frames, and I'm trying to see which paint I like the best, the black or the gold. And I'm going to eventually go with the black because the black to me looks the best through the bling wrap. And I'm going to paint all 6 of them black. Right here I'm just testing to see which one I like the best, and like I said, I'm going to go with the black. So once I have all of them painted, of course, I'm going to set them off to the side and let them dry. And I am giving them a little bit of texture by doing a little bit of pouncing instead of dragging the brush, because dragging the brush shows streaks, and I want a solid black surface to work with. Make sure you paint all of the sides, the inside, the outside, all of the sides. Make sure you cover it with the black paint. And guys, I always leave my tabs in my mirrors because I like to give my mirrors a little bit more support. And now guys, I'm going to take a three strand strip and I'm going to put that around the face of each one of the frames. I'm going to take the edges and I'm going to make sure that they're cut at an angle, and then I am going to cut and measure out some pieces going around the side, and then I'm going to take a 1 strand strip and go around the inside of the frame. So that's what I'm going to do with all 6 of the picture frames. I'm going to add the bling wrap to it. Here I am, I'm just using one of the pieces and I'm cutting the angles out for the bottom and the top. And now I'm measuring the around the sides of it, and I'm using a 3-roll strip as well to go around the side. And now I'm just taking and putting all of the bling wrap on each one of the frames now that I have them all cut out. So you've seen this done several times before with covering frames with bling wrap, and like I said, you can choose whatever color bling wrap or or paint that you would like to use to go with your decor. This is going in my black and gold bathroom. And I have several other pieces that I've made to go inside of that bathroom. And if you would like me to, I will put them in a playlist so you can see them as they're made. Now that's the single strand. Now guys, those mirrors right there came from a different DIY I use. So what I am doing now is I'm adding a single strand of the bling wrap on the top and the side of each one of the 4 mirrors, and I use E6000 hot glue and popsicle sticks to put the 4 frames together, and I'm gonna show you that in a few minutes. And now I'm taking the Totally Dazzle brooches and I'm covering up the area that I couldn't get off of the mirror, and I'm quite sure I could have, but I couldn't find my Gooby gun. So eventually I used the what you call it, knife, the X-Acto knife, and I got it off, majority of it. And so now I am cleaning the glasses of the inside of each one of the 6 frame glasses, and I'm using the clear hot glue, and I am placing the glass inside, which I'm gonna switch back over to the regular glue sticks to put the frames in, because you just need the clear frame, you need the clear glue for the crystals. So I'm once I secure all of the picture frames back into the frames, I'm going to clean all the insides of them off before we get started and putting the crystals on. And then once we clean all of them, I'm going to find the pattern that I want for each one of the panes, which I thought I wanted to do at an angle, but I end up doing it 3 2 3 2 3 3 2, yes, 3 2 3 2 3, and that's the pattern I chose to do on all of them. And now I'm just going in with the clear glue sticks, because you don't want that glue to be seen on the opposite side of the glass. So I recommend you to get that clear glue from Walmart. So now that I have all of the crystals in each one of the frames, I am laying them out in the pattern that I want, and I am putting the 4 mirrors in the center of 4 of I guess it's in the center. Yeah, well, I'm putting I'm sorry guys, I'm putting the 4 mirrors that I joined together, I'm laying them atop of 4 of the 4x6 frames. And once I lay them up there, I am going to take the final 2 frames, and they're going to go on the outside of the 2 frames that's holding the mirror up. And I'm going to use E6000 and hot glue, and I'm going to take a plain mirror, a plain 4x6 frame, and once I secure everything in the back with E6000 popsicle sticks and hot glue, I am going to put a empty 4x6 picture frame on up underneath the end frame, so that when they dry, as it dries, it's going to dry level and not lay down because nothing is under it to hold it. So make sure that you put a lot of hot glue, and I'm using one of the picture frame they came with these little metal kickstands, and I'm using one of those metal kickstands. I'm putting E6000 and hot glue and popsicle sticks around it to use it to hang up the frame, the whole thing. Now you probably could use command strips, but for me, with my pieces, I really don't like using command strips on my heavier pieces, just because over a course of period of time, I've noticed even with the not so heavy things that the command strip has making them fall before. And now I'm just going in with my toothbrush and cleaning up all of the glue strands. And then I am going to turn the masterpiece over so you can see it. I'm going to hang it on the wall. And guys, it's just that quick and easy. This is a fun project to make. You can add as many frames as you want, as many mirrors as you want. I'm quite sure you've seen something similar to this on other DIY channels. And this is my take and version of it. I like the black and gold. I like the elegance of it. It just brings so much sophistication to everything. And so I hope you guys enjoy watching this DIY. So if you have enjoyed it, don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like, and share. Oh, and guys, I forgot to tell you that I put 4 Totally Dazzled brooches on 4 corners of the mirrors, and you can use as many brooches as you would like as well. I think a big brooch will look nice right in the center of the mirror as well. So I'm doing the final cleanup, and then I'm going to hang it on the wall so you guys can see it. So guys, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you to the moon and back again. And guys, I am starting a new channel called Diva Talk Time, and it's going to be where I come live one night a week just to talk with you guys about different topics, and just to hang out with you guys. And I will still have my DIY channel. I just want to get to know you guys, and I figured this would be a good way to do it. So I'm going to leave a link for that channel down in the description box, and I would love for you to go over and subscribe to that channel. So until next time, guys, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you to the moon and back again.